So guys, we made a part 2 about our eating. So guys, I'm like, all of us are my cousin, I mean my bestie, my friend, Casey. Casey. Whoa! I don't even say. Her surname starts with a B. That's all what I can say.
Not B.
Yeah.
A-I. It's B-A-I-L-E-Y.
And my name starts with a T. Tamika. But this thing, the first step, internet. En het dak. Internet. Oezeli. Internet moezeli. I don't know if you guys know in the Muslim, my girl
G-R-A M-A-M-A.
what is it?
Grandma.
You guys got that right?
And my surname is B-A-I-L-E-Y.
Like I.
B-A-I-L-E-Y. Wait, it's B-A-I-L-E-Y.
Do you know my cousin's name is Alexa? Alexa. It's almost like I on the phone, no? They call her Alexa. No. I should almost finish eating. Because almost eating. I was myself a Casey.
Dis tyd vir julle albei om gelukkig te wees. Laat ek nog vir jou iets leer. As iemand bedoel is om saam met jou te wees,
Mama,
dan sal die omstandighede
Mama, if
en
Auntie Lucy,
geskep word en dit sal gebeur.
if somebody asks her to buy something for somebody, does she want payments?
Of course, you must pay.
Dis my wens.
And fight so much like, now my grandma's not like that.
Om my gelukkig te maak.
Yeah.
As jy ook weer hartseer en leeg gaan voel, kyk net na jou.
Grandma just want to eat. No, Mama.
Huh?
Huh?
What now?
Oh, no. Nothing?
What did you say now, Mama?
Ek is lief vir jou.
Nothing?
We just want to eat it.
Sweet stuff. So, okay. Bye, guys. But if you see this, I'm sorry. So, bye, mean fam.